So good morning. Good afternoon. Today we'll provide an update on testing, on schools, and on our efforts to address food security issues here in the Commonwealth. With respect to schools, in June, we stood here with the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education to announce guidelines to help get our students back to school this fall while we continue to battle COVID-19. With the support of many folks in the public health community and the pediatric community and many others in education, we unveiled a series of safety guidelines for students, teachers, and parents to help kids get back to the classroom to resume their learning and growth. We asked our school districts to come up with 3 options for in-person learning, remote learning, and a hybrid model, understanding that we must monitor public health metrics, and we've asked schools to do their best to get kids back in the classroom. Over the past few weeks, school districts have submitted plans to the department for September. Of the 371 public school districts reporting as of yesterday, more than 70% indicated they plan to offer a hybrid or fully in-person learning model. Approximately 30% proposed plans that were fully remote. We're encouraged that nearly 3/4 of the school districts are planning for at least a partial in-person learning experience for kids. Students have been away from their classrooms and their teachers and peers since March. Since then, we've learned a tremendous amount about COVID and have put together guidelines to allow for a productive and safe learning environment that adapts to the challenges that come with COVID-19. And just last week, we released a map that ranked Massachusetts town by COVID cases on a weighted scale using national and global models to indicate safe communities and communities at risk. As of last Wednesday, over 300 of our 351 cities and towns are reporting an average daily case rate of less than 4 cases per 100,000 residents or less than 5 cases total in the entire municipality. We're hopeful that these districts, which are designated white and green on our community-level data map, will take this new metric into account as they make decisions about bringing students back into the classroom for in-person instruction on a go-forward basis. Today, with respect to our daily update on COVID-19 cases, testing, and hospitalizations, yesterday there were reported 213 new positive cases, which brings the statewide total to about 114,611. The 7-day average for the positive case rate is about 1.4% and has been hovering between this and 2% for the past several weeks. There are currently about 367 patients who are hospitalized for COVID-19 statewide, and 59 of those are in the ICU. As of yesterday, 4 hospitals were using surge capacity. Yesterday, the state reported that almost 15,000 new individuals were tested for COVID-19, and in total, almost 2 million tests have been administered to date. The Commonwealth is seeing a steady climb in the number of new individuals tested. Over the past week, there have been around 15,000 or more new individuals tested being reported each day. This is up compared to a 7-day average of new individuals tested per day of around 9,000 in mid-June and around 12,000 in mid-July. This is obviously good progress. We're also seeing an increase in the number of repeat tests performed on individuals, which indicates that people continue to request tests more than once over time and are taking advantage of the testing resources that we've made readily available across our state. The 7-day average for the number of total tests conducted has been above 20,000 tests for the past 2 weeks. That's up from the 7-day average for the total number of tests conducted in mid-June of around 11,000 and in mid-July of around 16,000. We're also continuing to see success in increasing testing through our Stop the Spread initiative, which currently provides free testing in 17 communities across the Commonwealth that have seen a higher prevalence of COVID-19 and previously a decrease in testing. The program began on July 10th and is now running through September 12th. As of last week, the Stop the Spread program had performed over 78,000 tests. Today we're announcing that that initiative will be further expanded this week to include 3 new communities, Salem, Holyoke, and Saugus, which will bring the total to 20 communities across Massachusetts that are part of this initiative. We continue to strengthen the COVID-19 data that we're reporting and to help inform our continued efforts to slow the spread.